Welcome back to our 30-day video series for UPSC, EG, and NEET aspirants. In today's video, we'll delve into the importance of solving previous year question papers and how it can benefit your exam preparation. Solving previous year question papers is a valuable practice that provides insight into the exam pattern, question formats, and helps you assess your knowledge. Let's explore the benefits and strategies for effective utilization of these question papers. Students solve previous year question papers and analyze their answers. First, let's understand the benefits of solving previous year question papers. Familiarity with exam pattern. By solving previous year question papers, you become familiar with the exam pattern, question distribution, and the level of difficulty. This knowledge helps you tailor your preparation accordingly. Time management skills. Practicing with previous year question papers helps you develop effective time management skills. You'll learn to allocate time appropriately to each section and improve your speed and accuracy. Students organize their approach by solving previous year question papers. Now, let's explore some strategies to make the most of your practice with previous year question papers. Start with a diagnostic test. Begin by taking a diagnostic test to assess your strengths and weaknesses. This will help you identify the areas that require more focus and prioritize your preparation accordingly. Simulate exam conditions. Create an exam-like environment when solving question papers. Set a timer, adhere to the time limits, and minimize distractions. This will help you get accustomed to the pressure and time constraints of the actual exam. Student can analyze their answers and identify areas of improvement. To maximize your learning from previous year question papers, consider these techniques. Thorough analysis. After completing a question paper, analyze your answers and understand the concepts and topics where you made mistakes. Identify the reasons behind the errors and work on improving those areas. Review the answer key. Compare your answers with the official answer key or model solutions. This will help you understand the correct approach, learn new techniques, and clarify any doubts you may have had. Using these techniques, student appears confident and determined, actively engaging with previous year question papers. By incorporating the practice of solving previous year question papers into your preparation, you'll gain valuable insights into the exam, boost your confidence, and refine your exam taking strategies. If you have any questions about solving previous year question papers or need guidance on how to make the most of this practice, feel free to reach out to us. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll discuss effective revision strategies to consolidate your knowledge and ace the exams.